at the oasis, inside Antonina's antique electronics store. In the darkness, the only light is the ghostly blue radiance coming from a computer screen. Should I be using a model 790B motherboard here? Doesn't seem right. Maybe it's because I'm missing a few parts? Seriously, it's such a damn pain. I have to put this stupid PC together by guesswork because there is no info on it in the database. If only someone who understood antique computers would suddenly show up in front of me. Kiki. Wow, what the heck? Oh, so that's where you were. Look, I'm not in the mood to play with you. At least not until I put this together. Hey, don't eat that! Antonina frantically rescues a part from the tentacles of the diminutive entropics and then picks it up before plotting the little critter on her head. Just wait up there and be good. Why do you keep blastering yourself to me anyway? I'm a high-end network security doll. But no, not only am I a nanny, I can even fix this PC from the turn of the century. But anything feels worse. If only the cloud has not been disconnected from reality, I would be able to look up relevant data, even for a 50 years old antique PC. Kiki! Alright, keep down. I'm almost done. Now all I need is to infuse some apparence into it. Antonina's hand keeps moving until every piece is in its place. A white PC sits serenely in the midst of the scattered parts. While it's not complete, logically speaking, I should be able to put it up. Why I feel so tense? Can't believe I spent so long on something that was merely passing interest. So please work, damn it. Come on, work! Damn you! As she pushes the power button, the old clocks begin to turn, and the computer begins to hum. Its once dark monitor slowly begins glowing with blue light. Wait, did it work? However, what greets Antonina is once again a return to darkness. Just as the monitor starts showing alerts overloads, the old computer before her begins to ground under the strain. Now initiating OS. Please do not shut down your PC. Your PC will automatically reboot. Update completed. Your PC will now reboot. Your PC may reboot several times. How many times does it need to reboot anyway? This thing is way too slow. Doors 2007? What kind of ancient OS is this anyway? It blue screens way too often. You think so too, right? How the hell did people even manage to live in the notice anyway, spending hours as their computers overloaded? Forget it. I will just serve Oasis-chan while I wait. Antonina pushes the computer aside as it reboots and quickly logs onto the Oasis forum. The diminutive entropy creeps up to the screen in perfect harmony as it whiles away the time with her. Oasis Patrol Report number 47. Is it already the 47th day? Kimi is amazing. I just finished patrolling the entire Oasis. Shy Miko. I just finished patrolling the entire Oasis. All facilities in the sector are in a good condition and I detected no signs of entropic activity. I have made several such circuits since I joined. The work is not boring, but the lack of company makes it somewhat lonely. A friend recommended that I post here to look for others who think the same way I do. And so I hope I can find colleagues of like mind to go on patrols with me. VCPD7. You are doing this on your own? Most admirable. I'm writing it. I smell inspiration, but I don't feel like eating outside. If only inspiration would grow in Dark's room like a mushroom. Hungry Snake takes on all comets plus foul. Reposting for visibility. You will probably be able to hear a lot of interesting stories if you went on patrol with her. I would do it myself if I didn't have a field assignment. Also to the previous poster, no raising mushroom in your room. not accepting fish-related confessions. I'm interested in patrolling. Can I sign up now? Shy Miko. It would be an honor. I did not think I would actually find a companion here. I will be in your care. There is no need to stand on ceremony. Do you need a gun? I can lend you one, so you can send suspicious types to meet the Lord. Ah, my patrols are rarely so aggressive, but I could carry one if you like, Fish-sama. Let's talk about it private. Also, don't call me Fish-sama. The post ends there. Isn't that Erika's ID? A Nan and a Miko. Huh, that's a strange combo. There's a post titled SOS. Help needed urgently. Ladies and gents, we have an urgent situation here. Tips from all around. Ladies and gents, we have an urgent situation here that requires me to pick your brains. Simply put, the cafe I'm working at is super unpopular. At this rate, we won't be able to do business, let alone collect tips. Is there a way to turn this around? Please help me out. Working for 5. Please help, I can't feed anyone. Passing fortune teller. I made it onto the stream. Need me to help tell your cafe's fortune? Pretty streamer. Is that why you went out of your way to call me out here? It's fine. A few minutes with a popular streamer like me, and the customers will be breaking down the doors to get here. Sleepy all year round. Why not have a buy one get one free promotion for Gyuton Dawn? Measure in romance. What if you sold a special limited edition collab model kit in the cafe? I would definitely go every day. Administrator account. Add administrator account. Pretty streamer. Hey, it's a coffee freak. Administrator account. Coffee freak? Were you talking about me? Crap, I messed up. Good thing I'm anonym. Wait a minute. How comes my stream got banned again? The thread's popularity increases along with better streamer antics. And soon it ends up as Oasis Chan's thread of the day. Although it has received many replies, most of them are just wisecracks and commentary. There's pretty much no usable help to be had. Good grief, it's nothing but shitposts. Looks like everyone's slack off now that the crisis has passed. Still, I am the same way too. I wish life would continue to be peaceful like this. Antonina stretches and logs into the Oasis internet packet management page. Well, since I'm already on the internet, I will just go about my daily business of checking the Oasis network security. Let's see, daily checks. Oasis Defense. Oasis Defender has not detected any security threats. There has been one attempted external access. Could it be from an external website? Well, that's new. I haven't seen this address before. Did another sector build an internet on their own? Or did a new sector appear? Antonina taps on her keyboard and tries to access it, but glaring red letters indicates that she's not welcome. What's this? You're saying the Oasis' most caring and friendly network security assistant, Anna, is denied access? Do you seriously think I would let this happen? Anna's face turns serious. Her hands fly over the keyboard and she begins hacking. We have got a weird access out of nowhere that cannot be accessed normally. Time to see how deep this rabbit hole goes. A moment later, the red letters disappear and a bleak white screen appears in front of her. Add channel. As Anna does a security check of the website, she quickly scrolls through the text on the screen. So it's a forum. Got a pretty old school design, I didn't think there were people in the other sectors with the same interests as me. Oh, that's a cute little mascot. So it's called an Upa. It looks like it would make a great hug pillow. Kiki? Yeah, it's round and cute, just like you. The diminutive Anthropic shakes its head, then hops off Antonina's shoulder and lightly taps the screen with its tentacles. And someone actually designed a fun game themed after this Upa mascot. Upa mashups, and the developer calls himself a super hacker. Fine, I will see just how good your work is, super hacker. Key! You are interested too? Let's give it a try then. And done. After seeing the pile of gigantic rare Upas on her screen, Antonina smugly cracks her somewhat stiff fingers. That should be a theoretical top score. Only a genius like me could claim the top spot on the leaderboard so easily. Kiki! That's right, it's time to screenshot it. Wait a minute, what the hell am I doing? Antonina thumbs the table, stuttering the diminutive Anthropics, who flees back to Antonina's head. I was supposed to investigate this weird forum, so how did I end up losing myself in this minigame? I've spent over 6 minutes on it. Damn it, it's so addictive because it's so simple. I need to add it to the Oasis Addiction Prevention Guidelines. Fortunately, it seems to be an ordinary discussion forum so far, but I can't let myself get careless because of that. After all, there are way too many weird things here. Antonina's gaze lands on the most recent post. Time Machine, CERN, Akihabara, John Tito. I have never heard any of this before. More importantly, those numbers represent the date and time of this post, right? Which means all of these posts are from 2010, aren't they? And the replies keeps coming in. Is this some kind of simulated real-time update based on existing data? Or are these users agents from another sector? Key? That's right. The simplest way to find it out is to post something and observe how they respond to it. As for what I should post... Kiki! The diminutive Anthropic's tentacles keep pointing to the antique PC that keeps rebooting itself. Oh, that's right, something from the year 2000 or so should be in line with the threads of this forum. Antonina takes a picture of the old computer. Does anyone know how to fix this computer? Network Security Helper 2010 801 Sun 1606 01. Does anyone know how to fix this computer? It keeps rebooting itself. Any help or advice would be appreciated. The moment she submits her reply, a plethora of responses come in. Nameless Prophet. One deep fade detected. The answer symbol in it. Pray for your computer to die, lol. Pray for it to die. You mean give it a restart command, right? But it's an antique PC. It doesn't have a command module like an agent. It can't execute such a complex command on its own. You are actually calling such a high-end mainframe an antique? Are you looking down on us here? What a dork. Look, I seriously want to fix it. Don't you rich people know how to go to Akihabara? Put it to kill you to buy a few parts. Akihabara? Where is that? Huh? Do you seriously not know about the mecca of anime culture? GTFO lol. Not going to tell you, unless you are a sender a lolly with a white stockings lol. The focusing agent, QRT. Disclaim, I have no idea what this means, all of this shortcuts. All of the AIs on the Magra C cloud server are intelligent agents, including yourself. Or does your sector not have a concept of such things? Looks like we got a journey here. Sorry to interrupt your fantasies, lol. English please, K? And what's with this super cloud server? Did you come up with that? Might writing it into a visual novel for me? Are you guys pretending to be dumb? Or is it something wrong with your neural clouds? Speaking of which sector is this ad channel based in? Who is your administrator? A sex store? Is that how you refer to a high-end gated compounds or something? Sounds lewd. What kind of retarded sci-fi headcanon is this? Are you trying to imitate John Paito or something? Oh, future traveler number 2, can you tell me about future stock trends? Huri Gohan and Kamehameha. More about this Magrasit thing? Oh, I get it. If there are your base settings, then could you tell me about your era and the state of the world? Oi, are you retarded, Lemao? You seriously want us to start from something so basic, lol? Shouldn't you at least tell people about yourself before asking about them, you dork? I am currently on the Magracy Supercloud server in the year 2063. It is a place where many agents, that is to say intelligent agents or AIs, are working in the cloud server various sectors. I'm also one of them. Is this explanation acceptable? Also, what are LOL and more anyway? Are you even going to copy this part of John Tito too? I get it. You're trying to banish ad channel slangs from ad channel, but I won't let that happen. But their backstory is totally at odds with John Tito's. Do you want to get your story straight first before posting again? Here in Kiyama. Hang on, this is different from John Tito. This guy is asking because he has no clue at all. He might actually be from the future. The Stollen is here, lol. I thought he would throw off some low quality bait. Are you retarded? What the hell? It sounds like a line from some tsundere character, lol. Ignore him. He's an idiot. Lol, this guy is so delusional. He has lost signs of reality. Helpa-san, your explanation is totally unconvincing. If you're trying to bluff people, at least try harder on the theoretical level. Oi, how about the stock markets info? I will take lottery tickets too. Theoretical level, you say? What do you want to know? I need to understand your environment so I can understand the situation from your perspective. I knew it. He is from the future. Cool. Alright then. In exchange, I shall introduce the state of the world to you. It is 2010. And if you want to change the ruling order of this world, then come down to the lab in the Akihabara. This Hawaiian guy uses ideas hilarious, lol. Oh, if you're coming to Akihabara, make sure to visit the world's #1 maid cafe, May Queen plus Nya Squared, nya? Thank you for your explanation. So you are in Japan in the 2010s then? I will try to learn more about it. You should be in a peaceful era where World War III has not broken out yet, right? Also, even the most basic skeleton frame reboots have not entered service yet. Looks like explaining the situation to you will be very difficult. Unfortunately, we are not in reality, but the cloud. But I have remembered this lab and the May Queen plus Nya Squared maid cafe. If possible, I will try to visit them. So if we are not in reality, then are you from another world? Did you manage to connect to Ad channel from another world? Another world? What are you trying to say, that You are a two-sword warrior now? First we have John Tito, the time traveler, and now network security helper, the Otherworldly Lemao. This is getting more and more ridiculous, lol. Nothing you said has any relationship to modern science and nothing of details was explained. I was dumb for actually expecting something out of you. Please do your homework next time. If there is a next time, lol. Speaking of which, both time machines and messages from time travelers are impossible, so please don't show off your ignorance, lol. No, time machines do exist. Once I invented them, you will come back and apologize to me. I saw a lot of posts related to this on the forum. So are you saying you have invented a time machine? Lol, your acting sucks, lol. Or are you actually this dumb? Lol. Time machines are really popular for scamming people, lol. I have to say, this is some good bait. Now, get the fuck off. Isn't that more proof that the post is from the future? But seriously, since you are so certain he's from the future, how about telling us more about the principles and methods of crossing over from another world? Coin-san, are you trying to say this guy came from the same way John Tito did, lol? I will be very disappointed if you are, lol. Are you trying to provoke me? I should be saying that, right? I have no idea what they are talking about. The mindset of this forum's users is far too different from ours. Still, I have learned a few useful things. Japan's Akihabara, the lab, time machines. In any case, I should try asking more about them. Just as Antonina is about to move her cursor, the familiar red letters pops up in front of her again. Access failed? User has been locked out? Did they discover my intrusion? Well, since they blocked my access, I will just have to try and hack them again. However, things do not go as she intended. Trying to decipher the domain's name gets me a bunch of errors. There's no information on that channel in Macracy either. What the hell? The website portal doesn't even exist. If it wasn't for my access logs, I would really be wondering if I was seeing things. This ridiculous site and its ridiculous content appears in a ridiculous way and disappears just as ridiculously. Damn it, don't think I'm going to leave things like this. Key! Quiet you, I'm going to find this damn website if it is the last thing I do. Key! Oh, quit pulling my hair! The antique PC! Antonina looks in the direction where the diminutive Entropix tentacle is pointing. The monitor was gone dark, and the CPU case has stopped running. Program crashed? Failed to load? I waited so long just for this? Antonina sighs and begins to recover the event log from the antique PC. Relax. Antonina, don't let this primitive Poco computer get your goat. It's not like you have not encountered problems while building your own PC, no? Besides, it's not like it's a computer failure, right? According to the event logs, the computer ran for a full 26 minutes, didn't it? Huh? It ran for 26 minutes just now? Snap. Wow, what is it now? Huh? Excuse me, is Antonina here? Ah yes, your caring network security specialist Antonina is here to serve you. What the hell? So it was you, Professor? After recognizing the newcomer, Antonina's custom server smile immediately vanished from her face. What's wrong? Why do you look so depressed? It's nothing. Just that I keep running into incomprehensible things today. I think I'm getting allergic. I made a few discoveries here. I will share them with you in a bit. Don't worry though, I will make sure I take care of each and every one of them. Why do you sound so mad? Is that antique PC really giving you such a headache? Why does it feel like you have been watching everything what's going on? So, why did you drop by, Professor? I was just worried about you. To be precise, I was actually more worried about it. I point to the antique PC on her desk. I didn't think you were into this sort of things. Let me get this out of the way first. It's not for sale. No, that's not what I mean. I'm not interested in the computer itself. How should I put this? I'm getting a strange premonition about this antique PC. A strange premonition? Yeah. Something tells me that it might end up at the center of some interesting events.